Hi, hello. How are you all? I hope everyone are good and enjoying well. This is Giridhar and you're watching It's Learning Time. So, today we are gonna have a quick glance on our first chapter of class 9, the number system. Watch the video till end so that you won't be having any confusion and understand everything clearly. So now, coming to the number system for class 9, we have 6 divisions. Don't worry, we'll go through everything and understand each one in a very easy way. So now let us begin. First, we have natural numbers. The numbers which start from 1 are known as natural numbers, or the group of positive numbers which are countable are known as natural numbers. The collection of all the natural numbers is denoted by n. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are some of the natural numbers. Second, we have whole numbers. The numbers which start from 0 are known as whole numbers. Or, if 0 is included in the collection of natural numbers, then the collection is known as whole numbers. The collection of all whole numbers is denoted by capital W. Example are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Third is integers. The collection of all whole numbers and negative of natural numbers are called integers. An integer is a number with no decimal or fractional part. It is denoted by capital Z. And the examples are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. Fourth, we have rational numbers. A number R is called a rational number if it can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. The collection of rational numbers is denoted by capital Q. Example 12, 5 by 6, 3 by 5, etc. Fifth, we have irrational numbers. A number S is called an irrational number if it cannot be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, and its decimal representation is non-terminating and non-repeating. We will learn about the decimal representation later, so keep watching. And the example for irrational numbers are root 2, root 5, pi, and etc. Sixth is the real numbers. The collection of all rational numbers and irrational numbers together make up the collection of real numbers, which is denoted by capital R. Therefore, a real number is either rational or irrational. Here we have a note that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the number line represents a unique real number. As I said earlier, we are gonna learn about the real numbers and their decimal expansion. For all the rationals of the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, on their division, two main things happen. Either the remainder becomes 0 or never becomes 0, and we get a repeating string of remainder. In case 1, the decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. We call such type of decimal expansion as terminating. Example, when we divide 20 by 8, we get 2.5, so it's terminating. But in the second case, we have a repeating block of digits in the quotient. This expansion is called non-terminating recurring. For example, when we divide 10 by 3, we get 3.333 and so on. It is non-terminating but recurring. Here, we have a note that the decimal expansion of rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. But the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. Example, the decimal expansion of root 2 is 1.414218 and so on. At last, we have to learn about the exponents. An exponent is a number or letter written above the mathematical expression called the base. It indicates that the base is to be raised to a certain power. For example, 2 is raised to the power 2, that is 4. Then we have to learn about the laws of exponents, which are the rules for simplifying exponents when multiplying or dividing expressions with a common base and different expression. We have 5 laws which are product, quotient, power, zero exponent, negative exponent. Here, the variables a, b, n, and m are natural numbers. A and b are called as base, m and n are the exponents. Finally, we have completed. I hope you all understood what I taught today. If you have any doubts or need more explanation on any topic, drop a message in the comment section. And please check the description as I attached the definition of all the keywords and the topics. So, like the video, share and help your friends, and finally, subscribe for more videos.